Hi, I'm Melissa from Echo Consulting, and in this video we'll be showing you the different options you have for attaching images and documents within your Smartsheet environment. We know how frustrating it can be when your organization is spread out across multiple different platforms and you never know where to put or find the information that you need and end up wasting valuable time searching across your different data sources. At Echo, we are huge advocates for keeping your data all in one place as much as you can, and today we'll be reviewing a few of the features that Smartsheet offers to attach images and documents within your sheet. To start out, let's start with images. You have the option for attaching images at the sheet level, row level, and within comments, just as you would any other document, but you also have the option to add images to your cells, creating a really nice visual for your team. This can be so helpful, and we've seen everyone from marketing departments to manufacturers enjoy using this feature. So to add an image to your cell, just right-click on the cell that you want and drop down to Insert Image. Here you'll see that you can choose from different popular cloud storage providers, or you can upload a file directly from your desktop. So we're going to select that and then just scroll down and select an image. Just one thing to note about using the image feature within cells, there can only be one image per cell, so if you need to add a new image, it'll replace the previous image that was there, and cell history won't show the image, but it will show the alternative text associated with that image, so that can be an important, if that's part of your organization's process and workflow, then it's really important to note what you're putting as the alternative text. Now let's move on to attachments. Smartsheet allows you to attach files at the sheet level, row level, and within comments. So to access your attachments at the sheet level, the easiest way is by going over to this right-hand column and selecting the paperclip icon, and then going over to your sheet. And this is where you can see the different attachments that you have at a sheet level. If I want to attach a new file, I would just select Attach Files to Sheet. Again, you see I have my different cloud storage providers, or I can upload a file. And I can just choose the file that I want to upload. The most common use of attachments we find is at the row level. You'll know which rows have attachments because they will have this blue paperclip icon on them, so it's a great way just to see what has one. If you want to attach a file to a row, just select again that paperclip icon. You can choose the file that you want to attach. So we'll select this one. And that attaches it at the row level. Something to note here about the attachments is, say I wanted to upload a new version of this, but I wanted to make sure that the version history was still accessible. I could select Upload New Version. I have an updated document, and I want to make sure that people can see the updates and access the new one. So I'm going to select the document again. And now you can see that this is version 2, and my team can view the version history. So they can see version 1 and version 2 and when those were updated. I also have the option to turn the document into a proof, so I can say convert to proof, and we'll do a more in-depth video on the proofing feature, as this is a really wonderful way to collaborate with your team. Especially when combined with different workflow automations for a review and approval process. But within this, I have the option to collaborate with my team on this document. I can select an area and then comment, and I can tag to notify different team members and say something about the font or the wording and give different ideas. You can also include documents within your conversations within Smartsheet. Again, just kind of select the row that you're looking for. I can tag different team members and then select that paperclip icon to upload a file if I wanted to attach a file to the document, to my comment. So that was a brief overview of Smartsheet's functionalities for attaching documents and images. Thank you for watching. We hope you found value in today's video. You can subscribe down below for more Smartsheet content. There's also links to our website and socials if you want to learn more about Echo Consulting, or you can schedule a consultation with one of our team members to discover how we can optimize your Smartsheet environment.